Welcome back, global explorers, to yet another video here on African Beyond Borders. On this channel, we discuss about the sustainable development of Africa and how we can change the African narratives all around the world. We believe on this channel that until the African stories are told by Africans, they will continue to be a twisted narrative about the continent, Africa. Today, we dive into a profound discussion with one of Africa's most influential leader, Paul Kagame. As we discuss his shared insights on the state of African leadership. Do you want to understand the key governance reform Paul Kagame implemented to transform Rwanda into a model of transparency and efficiency in Africa? Or do you want to understand what role Paul Kagame believes technology and youth empowerment will play in shaping the future of African leadership and development? Then stay to the end of this video to get a complete insight of a modern African leader in action. Do not forget to like this video. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, share this video with your network. Leave your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified each time we drop inspiring videos like this one. Paul Kagame, the president of Rwanda, has been a transformative figure in African politics. Under his leadership, Rwanda has seen significant economic growth and development, becoming a model for other African nations. Today on this channel, we explore his thoughts on the state of African leadership and what it means for the future. African leadership has undergone tremendous changes over the decades. From the post-colonial era to the present day, African leaders like Nelson Mandela, Kwame Nkrumah, and now Paul Kagame have shaped the continent's trajectory. Kagame emphasized the importance of visionary leaders and accountability in driving progress. Kagame believes that effective governance and accountability are crucial for Africa's development. His administration has implemented rigorous anti-corruption measures and governance reforms that have positioned Rwanda as a leader in transparency and efficiency in Africa.
He's one of the most influential names in African politics. Paul Kagame has ruled the small landlocked country of Rwanda for 23 years. The nation of 13 million has come a long way since the civil war and genocide in 1994. Rwanda's significant progress in education, technology, healthcare, and security has made the nation an African success story.
I would like to use this medium to thank all our subscribers who have been asking me how they can support this channel. We're working on it. In the meantime, we have affiliate links in the description. At no cost to you, we get a commission from Amazon and our affiliate partners that can help us in running this channel. If you want to help this channel, buy something in the link, send us an email. We'll send you information on how you can help the channel. You can also help us by sharing this video, liking this video, and leaving your comments in the comments section. Let's go back to the video. Stay tuned. According to Kagame, other African nations must adapt similar approaches to realize their full potentials. Under Kagame's leadership, Rwanda has experienced remarkable economic growth. Investment in infrastructure, technology, and agriculture has been pivotal. Kagame highlights the need for African nations to leverage their resources and create conducive environments for business and innovation. This, he believes, is the key to sustainable development. Despite the progress, African leaders faces numerous challenges, including poverty, conflicts, and unemployment. Kagame stresses the importance of addressing these issues through education, youth empowerment, regional cooperation. He sees a bright future for Africa if these challenges are met with strategic planning and unity.
We have learned a lot of lessons, and the world really has, and Africa should have learned as many lessons as we have. But the question is, we need to show that we have learned lessons. We can't repeat the same mistakes of the past and expect to be better going forward as we all want. So for us, from the tragedy and from also understanding the politics, the global politics and the relationships and so on and so forth, we have made a choice. And to begin with, we work within the setting of the African continent. So when you talk about the United States, China, maybe some other powers, you can say, put them together, Europe, and so on. I think lessons learned from Rwanda, here in Rwanda ourselves, but also similar to many other lessons that should have been learned across the continent. And we are seeing also US, China competition turning into increasingly adversarial sort of relationship. We don't think it is correct for Africa or for Rwanda to just be consumed by these two powers and crushed in between. It is important for Africa, for Rwanda to have this kind of thinking that, no, we have something to do for ourselves. We have lives to live ourselves. We don't live for others and others don't live for us. And in fact, if you look at Africa, currently about 20% of the global population. In about 25 years, Africa will be constituting 25% of the global population. And that growth involving a middle class, probably the only middle class in the world that will be growing. I mean, how can we waste this asset? And this is something terribly wrong with ourselves. And we shouldn't accept this. So Rwanda, working with other African countries on the continent, we think we can relate, be friends with others, United States, Europe, China, name it, and not be dragged into this kind of conflict that benefits those others who are conflicting among themselves and simply impoverishing more or less forever the African continent. So it's a hard task, it's a struggle, but nonetheless, it's the most noble thing we can do for ourselves.
Looking ahead, Kagame envisions an Africa that is self-efficient and globally competitive. He advocates for a stronger regional integrations and partnerships, emphasizing the potential of the African Continental Free Trade Area to transform Africa's economic landscape. His vision includes a digitally connected continent that harnesses the power of technology for inclusive growth. As we come to the end of this video, Paul Kagame's insight provides a roadmap for the future of African leadership. His focus on governance, economic development, and visionary thinking offers valuable lessons for African leaders across the continent. What are your thoughts for Kagame's perspective for the sustainable development of Africa? Let us know in the comment section. And do not forget to give this video a like, share this video with your network, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you get notified each time we drop inspiring videos like this one.